How you going, guys? Nice to have you back. Thanks for joining in. Here we are, we're fitting a piece of 230C channel. I thought I'd better explain this one so you guys get an idea what's going on, especially for anybody who wants to do the same. Okay, what we have is we have 3 posts. This one here is a 90 by 90 by 5 to catch that 380 that's going that way. Okay, that's in there, it's on the plan. Now according to the plan, that's steel beams, this steel beam here is supposed to stop right there. Okay, and go through. Now this is, for some reason or other, it's a particularly heavy wall. It's got the roof weight going down. It's a big glass door up there, and it's got roof weight going down roughly where that jack is. So we've had to jack that up to make sure we're above the steel. So it's putting pressure on the steel. And I had to do the same here because there's another door here, another solid panel of glass here, and it's putting down there. But luckily the 380, the post for the 380 has got the weight on that one. Okay, but what I did, because, well, a few things. As you see, I've got a hole every 450. Now the plan says 600. Okay, I haven't done 600 for more than 10 years now, because I've got a couple of engineers that actually prefer 450, and some of them are actually going down to 350. So I do 450, which covers most of the engineers in Brisbane, and once you do it, you don't have a problem. Okay, 600 is just a little too far apart, doesn't help distribute the weight across the steel. So we've got that, we've got it checked in on that side. Frank's just doing the weld on that end. He's already done the welds on this. Here you see he's got good penetration because it's coming through the other side. So that's brilliant. And what I've done is I've allowed that steel to go through to that post, which then helps with the pressure we've got going across here because it's welded up and I had it jacked up. That's helping to hold this one up across here, where if I just finish the steel there, then this thing just bend like crazy through the middle from the load, where this way we actually got a cantilever out there, which that end there is now holding up the same distance this way to stop it from bending. And of course then the pressure starts from there. So yeah, it's a good idea to go through. You know, what's an extra 1 metre 230C channel? What, 50 bucks? Big deal. Okay, for us it's a case of just us, we're trying to do a better job, not just do what the engineer wants, but do a better job. Okay, he's got a 230 there. We've kept it as a 230. I would probably, if it was my job, I probably would have turned that to a 250. I did turn these other ones to 250. He wanted a 230 here and a 230 there for 6 metres. I won't put a 230 6 metres without having a post in it, like we got this one here. Okay, 5 metres is pushing it. 6 metres is definitely a no-no with a 230. So we're going to change those to 250s. Even a 250 bends half an inch over 6 metres, so imagine what a 230 would do with weight on it. Alright, so yeah, you've got to look, it takes experience, it takes a bit of knowledge to know that, but always better to go up a size. If you're thinking it's a bit light, go up a size. But that's what we've done, that's what we're doing, and yeah, she's looking good. I hope that was a good enough explanation for you. If you need to know anything more, please, you know, send me some messages on the bottom of the video there. And if you would please hit the like and subscribe button, it'd be very much appreciated as we keep on building this channel. And into 2021 we move into also doing electronic waste, computers, washing machines, fridges, all that sort of stuff, as we go in there and start doing electronic waste disposal and recycling. So that's what we'll be doing next year. Hopefully that'll turn into our major job, and this one will eventually fade out. But we've got a lot more videos to do on this yet, and that's what we're up to. But that's that being. So we're trying to get the pressure across, so because that's a main glass door to the outside. This is the outside deck out here. That's the house. Got a nice big glass panel door up through there, old style timber one, and it's putting a lot of weight down from the roof load down onto this barrier here. So we're just trying to make sure we carry that and that there's no bounce upstairs later. Okay, I hope that's explanation helps you guys, for anybody that's trying to do that sort of thing. And yeah, talk again soon. Thanks guys, catch you soon. Bye.